everyone, here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create ink falling like this. It's very easy and let's get started. First, create a new composition, then hit OK, go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it ink. Change this color to white, it's very important, then hit OK. Now I'll go to pen tool and press shift and draw line like this. And if I want to remove this line, I'll press alt, go to selection tool and alt, and I'll move it like this. Okay, now I'll open this layer, masks, and mask 1, Control D to copy, then alt, and I'll move mask number 2 like this. Again, Control D, Control D again. Okay, now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type stroke. Okay, double click or drag and drop. Okay, my first path, mask 1. Okay, now I want to change on original image to on transparent like this. And I'll increase brush size around 30 or 30. Okay, now go to first frame and keyframe on end, increase into 0, go to 4 seconds and increase, okay, first degrees and to 0 and increase this. Then I'll go here and I'll press U and I'll change this point to easy ease. This is my first mask. Okay, now Control D to stroke and change mask 1 to mask 2, and again change on transparent to on original image like this to see 2 masks here. And I don't need this this black between 2 masks, so I'll go to brush size and I'll increase it also here. Yeah, now I'll go to ink again, change press U and I'll change position into mask 2 like this. Okay, now go to stroke number 3, change mask 2 to mask 3, and also I'll increase to remove, or I don't want to see this line, so I'll increase it, yeah, like this. And again I'll press U here and I'll change like this. Okay, now I finished my work here, so let me see the result here of that. Okay, now right click and pre-compose. Okay, and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Now I'll go to effects and presets and type pass box blur. Double click and blur radius, I'll increase it maybe around 15, will be good. 15, maybe 16. Yeah, and I'll check repeat edge pixel. Okay, now I'll go again to effects and presets and I'll type roughen edge. Okay, and I'll change this 8 to 0 and I'll scale it. And I think we need to scale it more. $700 maybe. Okay, and also you can do it better than this tutorial. Okay, now I finished my tutorial, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.